Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining PCS Fusion Hub Oracle Fusion HCM Human Capital Management Session. So I will just give a nutshell. So what is the plan of action was we are going to cover 5 sessions. Free 5 sessions are there. So first 3 sessions will be the theory part, and then like next 2 sessions are the lab sessions. Lab sessions. What is the importance of the lab session is what we will do is we will give you a task and you are going to perform on your monitors and your computers like that, and we will be monitoring you in online itself. So people might be coming from various locations, right? So it is not possible for everyone to come and sit in my office, right? So it's difficult. So that is the reason, to get a hands-on experience we will do the lab session also. So Harika madam will take you through all the process, step by step process. You can go through that and enjoy the session. Okay, any questions? Fine. Okay. So once we are done with the demo session, so this demo session along with the course content, everything will be shared to you via WhatsApp or via email to you. Okay. Both the platforms which we will share it to you. You can go through that at in your future perspective. Same sessions every day. The session will be the live sessions will be there, and it will be recorded also. Okay, then and there itself you can ask the questions. For an example, if you have any questions, you don't have to worry at all. You can just ask them. You can unmute yourself and you can ask them. Is it making sense?
Yes, sir.
Hari,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Nikhil, Hridaya,
Yes,
Harish,
sir.
Pavan. Pavan, I could see two IDs are there. Are you logged in with two IDs?
Yes, I logged in through two IDs.
Okay, fine, great. Ramakrishna, Shabir, Swarna, Sweta, Uday,
Yeah.
Varaprasad. Everyone clear, right? Great, guys. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Harika, madam, you can take it.
Uh, yeah, good morning, everyone. So before I start into the session, I would like to just know about you, like your qualifications and what are your work experiences, so that I can help you in that way.
Yeah, myself, Uday, ma'am.
Just give me a moment. I'll just share the Excel sheet so that I can note down your requirements. Yes, you can start.
Yeah, myself, Uday, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah, I have completed my MBA in the distance
okay,
in the 2021 batch,
okay,
but I didn't work anywhere. Actually, I have
okay,
my own works, so I didn't work anywhere.
okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, what about uh, so you don't have any work experience as
No,
of
no,
now.
no,
So you
no,
are a
no.
fresher, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
I can take you as a fresher.
Yes,
Okay,
for
fine.
sure.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Uday.
Yeah,
And what about the
sir. I'm can't audible your voice.
yeah, Shabir?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Shabir. I have done graduation in BSc MLT in 2009. After that, I have worked in various fields. Recently, I have been in UK for 4 years. Uh,
Okay.
I currently wanted to switch my career to IT, so I just want to look
Oh, so
into.
you have worked in the non-IT, right?
Yeah, I'm non-IT and you want
Okay.
career change.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah, 15 years
So
of
how many
experience.
years of experience do you have?
15 years of experience.
Oh, okay. See, the reason why we are taking all these details are just to help you out with your resume preparation, and we can even explain you in that way. Like if you are a fresher, so we'll be starting in from the depth, and we'll be explaining each and every module or everything in a clear way. So, okay. How about Nikhil? Nikhil, Pavan, anyone can introduce
Good
yourself?
morning, madam.
Yeah.
Myself, Nikhil, madam. I completed BTech in
Okay.
2018, madam.
Okay.
After that, I worked in HDFC Bank, madam. Now
Okay.
I want to switch to IT side, madam. So that
Okay.
non-IT.
And Pavan?
Good morning, Harika. I have currently I'm working as HR executive in a product-based company in Hyderabad itself. I have
Mhm.
over 4 to 5 years of experience itself in HR.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to
Okay. So
switch it to Oracle Fusion. Why? Because in my previous organizations, I have worked closely with EBS, Finance, HCM, and OTM. These type of roles I have closely worked with, and I have seen there.
okay. Okay. Got it. Got it, Pavan. And so you mean to say like you have seen the I mean IT working into the HCM you're talking about, right?
No, except HCM, I have seen every role in Oracle, and as a HR, it's easy for me to go into this HCM or HRMS roles with the designation of HR, right? Because
Yeah,
of
true.
that.
Actually, actually, the HR, I think you have chosen the right thing because already you'll be having the exposure towards all the HR activities, like how the recruitment takes place and everything. You just need to learn the product, how it works, though. So I think that that experience will count for you, will help for you.
True,
Okay,
because
it's a
of that.
good thing what you have chosen, and this will be like for long term. It will be there for you.
Yeah,
It's not like a technology which will just come for 2 3 years. It will be into the boom, and again it will not be. No, it's not like that. But it will be like for long term. It will be there. So it's better to learn this kind of products and technologies, and where your knowledge will also be used into this.
yes. I have in my previous organization, I even have worked as a recruiter, where
Mm-hmm.
the HCM roles are more. We got requirement of HCM. There are very
Mm-hmm.
less number of people which are into payroll, core HR, like US legislative. These all things.
True,
We
true.
couldn't find we couldn't find those people with all those things. So that as I am in the designation with HR, it is easy for me to switch into IT with HCM or HMS, right? So I have
Yes.
switched this.
So you are into recruitment, so you might have seen how the job opportunities are there and how many people they are recruiting. So it's really right now it's in the boom, like technology, and where for the payroll and other few of the technologies, they need a lot of I mean they need a lot of manpower. I mean manpower. So it's really I mean it's coming to like boom, and it is not that tough to learn. It is as it is a zero coding, and it will be a very I mean even the payroll salaries are also like it's high. So it's better, it's good to learn this technology.
Okay, only functional or technical will be also taught here.
This is purely functional, but we do give an overview of the technical so that you can just have a knowledge about the technical. Like we'll be just explaining like what is what, everything about the technologies, and we just give an overview about the technical things. But though you don't need that, but you should have a knowledge about that, like uh, like what are BI reports, just like a little bit knowledge about the technical. How much ever the technical knowledge you need for a functional consultant, we do provide that.
Okay,
Okay.
got it, got it.
And as you're already into recruitment and everything, so it will be easy for you to understand the uh, understand the I mean product. You just need to learn how the product works, the HCM, and I mean anyhow you have the core knowledge, so it will be it will not be a tough
Um,
for you.
okay, will you be providing any cloud access?
Definitely, we do provide the access.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
We do
Thank
provide the we do provide the access, and we do help in the resume preparations, and we do provide recording sessions. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Can I know about Shweta?
Yeah, hi Harika. This is Shweta. I studied my BTech 2000
Okay.
passed out, and currently I'm working as a HR.
Okay.
5 years. So I thought to like this is the easiest tool to switch as a recruiter to HCM.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like I read something about like Workday, some ERP tools like SAP SuccessFactor or something. But to be frankly, I did not find any way over there. So someone suggested me this Oracle HCM about this institute. So I thought I just like listen to the demo, and I thought like maybe this can help me out. Like this is the easiest way to like switch to IT from non-IT to IT.
Yeah, Shweta, I think you have chosen the right thing
Mhm.
because switching to switching to IT, and as you are into the, as just now I spoke to him, you are
Yes,
into the HR.
yes. The same concerns like which Pawan have.
Yes, it will be the same. So you might have seen how many profiles, and while
Yes,
doing
like
the
yesterday also we recruit on same like Oracle HCM.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So you have a lot of job opportunities for this.
Mm-hmm.
So so especially for the core for US payroll, and as he said that and even right now many companies are opting for the HCM. So I think you will be having still more openings for the HCM, and it's a very good thing that I mean you have a lot of ERPs for the not lot, like you have a 3 to 4 ERPs are there for the HCM, I mean for the HR. Like as you said, you have the you have already checked the Workday and SAP and all those things. But I think this is the Oracle is the like right now most of the companies, most of the clients are opting for this Oracle Fusion HCM. So I think you will be having more opportunities for Oracle HCM rather than other Workday and other SAPs.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Hmm. Yeah. And do you have see, I just know I have taken down about yours, and any other. Shweta is done. Uday also done. Anyone else? Shabir, I think I have not known. Hi, Shabir. Oh,
I'm
I
also
took
done.
already.
Yeah.
Shabir, Nikhil, Pavan, Shweta. Did I miss anyone, or I have?
Yeah,
Nice.
hi Harika, I'm Harishi.
Yeah. Hi, Harish. Good morning.
Yeah, actually, I have completed my MBA in 2017.
Mm-hmm.
Then after I have worked for 2 years in healthcare domain.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, after that I have worked for 2 years in US IT recruiting.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that I have 3 years of career gap due to my father's illness. I need to take care of my father's business. So
Mm-hmm.
now I want to give another chance to my career to boost my career. So now I'm here.
Okay. So, see,
Yeah.
in the US recruitment also, you might have seen the how many job openings are there for the HCM,
Yes.
and yeah, as
Yeah.
you are into healthcare, we do have in the Oracle HCM, we do have an option for the healthcare also. So Oracle has
Okay.
given a feature for the healthcare, and I think you can even learn that, and that your previous knowledge will be helpful for this also.
Yeah.
So that's one of the module is there for the healthcare. Recently, they have added that, and Oracle has adding all the healthcare. Like see, most of the hospitals are opting for the HCM, so that's the reason they have added few of the healthcare into this. Okay, so I
Yes.
think your knowledge will be helpful for. I mean, your previous experience will count for this also. So
Yeah.
as
My
you are
concern is
into,
about my career gap is almost 3 years. How
okay.
I need to proceed now in the market. So that's what I'm concerning.
You don't want, I'm sorry. No need to worry about the career gap. Okay.
Okay.
We do help you for the while you can we'll do help like one-on-one for all these things like for resume preparations and for like experience and everything we do help you. Okay. You can just come and meet in the office and for each and every one we do take it as an individually we do help you because you all are into different backgrounds, so don't worry if you have the career gap or if you're from a non-IT or if you're from any other backgrounds, don't worry, no need to worry about that. Okay, so definitely we will try to help you with the career gaps also, no problem, this is good to learn. Okay,
Okay. Fine.
and
Thank you.
those career gaps and all those things we'll talk one on one. Okay, and we do help you, don't worry about that. Okay, anything else apart from this?
No, no problem.
Okay, okay, so as I see most of them are into non-IT and and freshers. Okay, so I'm just considering everyone as a fresher and I'll be starting the session. Okay, so
Hi.
oh yeah,
Sorry. My name is Ramakrishna.
yeah, hi Ramkrishna.
I have my done MBA in 2021.
Okay.
Currently, I'm working in research analyst in taxi systems.
Oh, okay.
I want to set my job role into this Oracle
Mm.
Fusion.
Okay, okay. So you are currently working?
Yes, sir.
Okay, into research.
Research analyst.
Okay. Okay, fine. So like, how did you come to know about the HCM and why do you want to like switch you into HCM? Is there any specific thing or did you go through any in the office or anything you have gone through the
No, I
experience
go
of?
I go to the social media.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay,
One of my friends suggested this Oracle Fusion.
okay.
That's why into this.
Okay, as your background is into MBA, I think this Fusion HCM will help you for this. Okay,
Okay.
so if you're see, it's not that like you need to have a background of MBA, BTech or something. So any backgrounds, anyone can switch to this HCM, and it is easy to learn, and you have a more job opportunities for this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And see, whenever we are opting for something, any technology, what we always look into this, like whether the technology will be there in the market for long term or not. So for that, like this technology, it will be there for long term. Okay. So I am working since 13 years into this technology. Okay. So though it was previously into EBS and HRMS and now it's a Fusion HCM. Okay. So the technology few changes will be there, but the technology will be there forever. Okay. So don't think so this is the right technology what you have chosen and you can just go ahead with the technology. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Hari.
And see, as it is a zero coding, I think it will not be tough for you to learn, and it will be like you just need to learn like whatever we are teaching in a daily basis. Just go through that and practice the same thing. Then, like after like 1.5 month, you can even start applying for your jobs also. Okay. But you have to be like whatever we are taking on a daily basis, just practice on the same day. And okay, now let me tell you about the PCS Fusion. And PCS Fusion, it has started in the 2001. Okay. And PCS is into uh, like they have PCS is into and HCM and financials and SEM. Okay. So these are the technologies they are teaching since long, and they have they helped many nearly at least 2000 many students who are from the different backgrounds, and they do have like a job assistance is there, and we do have like a separate we do have only for the job opportunities we do have a WhatsApp group, and we will be posting you for the jobs, and we do get the few freelancing projects for which we recruit the our own students. Okay. But it depends on the I mean, whenever we get the projects we do recruit into that. So even internal recruitments also we do have. So you don't worry about the job, just focus on learning. Okay. And we do have SCM, and what we are going to provide to you. Okay. We'll be providing the video recordings. Fine. We'll be providing you the video recordings of the daily sessions, and we do give the instance for 6 months. But this video recording, it will be for lifetime. And what else? We will be helping you with the resume preparations. Hope you can see my Excel sheet, right?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah. So we'll be helping you in the resume preparations, and we do give you interview questions, and we do help in the interviews, and we do take mock interviews, which will help you for your practice in which will be helping for you when you will be you will not face when you'll be facing the real time. So it will be helpful for you for the mock interviews. And for after each and every session, we do give you some practice questions. Fine. These practice things are the real few we add into the real time scenarios. Okay. And to make real time scenarios, we add into the practical sessions. And you can even come to the institute and you can sit and practice in the institute also. Okay. So we do give online training, but you can come offline and you can sit and you can practice. And for the lab sessions, they will be helping you in the lab. Okay. So lab sessions also. And whenever you need anything like, see, once I take up a topic and once I explain you about the enterprise structure, and that enterprise structure, if you are facing any issues, so you can ask me, you can share your screen and you can ask me, I'll help you out. Or else you can just you can just ask me in the WhatsApp. We do help you in, like whenever you have an issue, we will be available for helping that. Okay. So all the issues, everything will be helping. And coming to the interviews, okay, I told you like video recordings and anything else if you need, like mostly we'll be providing all these things. Okay. So apart from all these things, if you need anything, you can you can feel free to come. Okay. And check with us. And this is about the PCS Fusion. Okay. Anything else?
There any offline structure? Only online itself classes will be.
Classes are online, but offline also. If you offline, there will be lab helpers will be there, so you can come and sit and do work in the lab also.
Okay.
Okay. So there will be a person who will be helping for you, like 24 hours. There will be a person over there in the institute. You can come and you can take their help. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Anything? If you have any queries, you can ask me over here. Hope I covered everything, like interviews and practical sessions and lab sessions and yeah, instance and everything I covered. Okay. So before starting into the topic, so if you have any queries over here, you can ask me. Hope I answered all your queries. The reason why we are starting with this, so that we will be answering, we can help you out in like whatever the perspective you are looking for, what all your needs are, so we can requirements are there, so we can add all your requirements. So that's the reason we are starting with this. So hope I cleared everything, and now I'll be starting the demo. Okay. And we will be providing you the navigation charts also. And we will be providing you, see the navigation charts, and I'll just show you. So this is how the navigation charts we will provide you. So you can easily see, these are the navigation charts. So for each and everything, how the navigations are there. So we'll provide you all the navigations. So you can easily, while practicing, you can go through this navigation charts. And at the time of interview also, it will be useful for you. Okay. So we'll be providing this navigation charts, and we'll be providing you the all the activity guides. Okay, so these are the contents which we are going to cover, like global HR and absence. Okay, these all are the topics which we are going to cover, and this concepts list also we are going to share with you. And day-to-day activities, what are we going to do, that also we are going to share with you. Okay, so apart from this, okay, so each and every day, what are the activities we are doing, we'll be sharing that in the form of a configurations for you. Like this configuration steps, everything, like what we have done. For example, if I explain you about the location, then I'll be sharing this to you. Okay, so that it will help you, like, no, it is like each and every step will be there. What is the first step? What is the next step? So it will be helpful for you. Okay, so we do share everything, so it will be easy for you to learn. Okay, so okay, fine. So let's get into this. So what exactly is a HCM, and what is a HCM fusion? Why we are calling it as a fusion, and what are the fusion products are, and how the fusion has evolved, and what is their deployment models, and everything I'll be taking in today. Okay, today's agenda is like a what is an HCM overview, and how it has evolved, and what are the product families which are which are there in the fusion, and how, and deployment models, and all this I'm going to take you. Okay, and coming to the ERP you might have already known, like it's an enterprise resource planning. And why this is so popular, or why the most of the companies are opting for this ERP. ERP is nothing but like for each and every company, they have many business, like you will be having, every company will be into the finance, HR and manufacturing, every and procurement and supply chain. Okay. So this ERP is nothing but like integration of all this. So that's the reason most of the companies are opting for the ERPs. Okay. And coming to this, like how the fusion has evolved, and see what happened. The uh, Oracle has like a it it has merged, like Siebel was strong in the CRM, so PeopleSoft was strong in the HRMS. So what the Oracle has done, it has acquired all this, and they have made a one product called as a Oracle Fusion HCM. Okay. So what are the, they have added all the features into this. So when I'm talking about the cloud, what are the cloud and what was the on-premise, and what are the advantages that the cloud has. So in the on-premise, when the on-premise was there, so what was there, they used to, like they used to buy the product, and they used to have they used to do the maintenance, and they used to have their like they used to set up in their own premises. Okay. But so what, when you are setting up in own premises means you have to recruit more people, so you have to, so the price and everything, the cost will also be increased. So when the cost increases, the cost was also more in the on premise. So when the cloud has come up, what they have done, they started like a SaaS model. What is this SaaS model means? So SaaS model is nothing but like we will be buying like the uh, we will be buying, and we will be using how much, only what we need it or what we require it. Okay. So what the cloud has given, they have given automatic updates, no need to have an update, and all the enhancements, everything was there, and everything, like mostly you just need to just go and like take the instance and you can use it. Okay. Like so that was the main difference between the on-premise and the cloud. And coming to the, what are the products which are available in the Fusion? And in the Fusion, you will be having the finance and you will be having the HCM. In the finance, what all are there? General ledgers, payables, receivables, all these are there. And in the HCM, you will be having like a core HR. What the core HR consists of? Core HR consists of the enterprise structure, and like jobs, positions, grades, all this will come under the global HR. And coming to the, you'll be having the talent, and you'll be having the performance, and you'll be having the payroll, you'll be having the OTL. So these all are covered under the HCM. Okay. And coming to the supply chain. In the supply chain,
Harika, OTM is also comes under HCM?
yes,
Okay. Why? Because
OTL
it
is
also comes with HCM, right?
SCM you're talking about?
Yes, transport management itself, right? Oracle Transport Management.
No, it is not OTM, OTL.
Okay. What it means?
OT, OTL is time and labor.
Okay.
So
Got it.
time and labor is nothing but when you enter into the office, you'll swipe the cards, right?
Yes, yes.
So that's swiping, and how your time is calculated. When you're in your working hours, they'll be calculating your working hours like 9 hours or 8 hours. How that is calculated. So those all will be covered under OTL.
Got it. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. And supply chain is also there, and cost management and all these are covered under the supply chain. And project portfolios, project costing and project billing, project control, all about the all these All these are covered under the project portfolio management. And coming to the procurement is nothing but like purchasing, sourcing, all this will covered under the procurement. And CRM, it is like a customer relationship management. So it like sales, marketings, all those will be covered under the CRM. Okay. So these are the product families which are there in the Fusion, but we will be discussing only the HCM. Okay. And coming to the HCM, okay. In the HCM, you will be having like a see in the workforce it how these are divided like in the HCM. So these I'll show you in the instance. So I think you can understand better if I show you in the instance, because what is this workforce deployment and development and compensation. So these all will be divided in the Fusion HCM, the modules. So how these all are, I'll show you in the instance. Okay. So the instance will be provided to you. The credentials will be given. Don't worry about that. Okay. And you can practice with the credentials. So how the instance looks, I'll just show you. Just give me a moment. I'll just pull the instance. Okay. Just give me a moment. I'll show you the instance and how we will be giving you the credentials for this. See, this is how the instance will be. And once you will enter the credentials, so you can you see this instance?
No, we are seeing only this current look creating. Yeah, now we can see.
Okay. So this is how the instance is, and this credentials will be given. This link will be provided to you. Okay. And the username and the password also, the credentials they'll give you so that you can enter and you can start. Okay. So let me add the username and the credentials so that you can have a look of how the look and feel about the instance. Okay, these credentials they will provide you, and so that you can log in and you can start. Okay. Can you see this? Okay. Okay. Looks like some. Just give me a moment. I'll check once. So this will be the course contents. Just give me a moment. Meanwhile, I'll check the instance. Okay. Okay, can you see this instance? This will be the look and feel about the instance. Okay, this is the home page. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So this will be the instance and these credentials will be given to you. This will be the look and feel about the instance. Okay. So I'll explain you in detail about the instance. Okay. Okay. So as you have seen the instance, so you for each and every upgrade, you will be having quarterly upgradations. This you have to remember because definitely one interview question they'll ask you in this upgradation. Right now, in which upgradation you are doing, you are working for, or else you worked for which one. So you have to specifically tell them like you are into 24 or 23, in which project you have worked for. Okay. And this fusions projects will be fusion projects will be for 8 to 9 months. Mostly it will take it as it will be like it will take nearly 6 to 9 months maximum for each and every project. Okay. So what is this quarterly upgradations and what does this means? See what the Oracle has done. So they have started the quarterly upgradations. So January to March, it is like a 25A. 25 means what? 25 is the year. A is the January to March. It's for 3 months. They will be calling it as a A. Okay. Right now we are in a 26. So you can change it as a 26. Sorry. Change it as a 26. Okay. What is this? This is nothing but the year. Okay. Got it? So January to March, 3 months, it is called as a, and April to June, it is called as a B, and July to September, it is called as a C, October to December, it is called as a D. Got it? So what is this upgradation means? See, whenever they are working with the clients, they do add new features into this. So every quarterly, they'll be adding new features into this. For example, recently they have added the Redwood and AI. Okay. So AI, which is like which is very booming technology. So they have added that AI into the Fusion HCM. So it is like for few of the modules, it is really helpful for us. Okay. So where exactly the AI has added and everything while working, I think you can understand about that. And these are the modules which we are going to cover for the functional modules. Okay. Core HR, global HR, absence management. Absence management is nothing but we'll be dealing with the absences like leaves, like for what are the leaves are available for each and every employee, like you'll be having sick leave, you'll be having maternity leave is only for the women. So what kind of what are all the leaves are available, so those all are covered under the absence management. And coming to the talent management and the goal management, talent management and profile management. So these all like how the each and every employee will be having the goals in the organization. So those all goals are covered in the goal management. And talent management, you will be covering like what are the new technologies the employee is learning, and everything will be covered under the talent management. And performance management and payroll, these are the topics which we are going to cover in this session, I mean in this course. And as someone asked me whether you'll be covering the technical part, we will not be going in depth of the technical, but we'll be teaching about the HDL spreadsheets, BI reports, OTBI, and extracts. We'll be just explaining the overview about that because you should have a knowledge about like at least basic knowledge about the technical. So we'll be explaining about this technical. And coming to the advanced modules, we do have the advanced modules. This is called as OTL. OTL is nothing but the time and labor. Okay, Oracle time and labor. Okay, in that what we'll be doing will be, as just now I told you, like each and every employee time will be recorded. How that is recorded, how that is connected once you swipe your card. So from the swiping card, how they will how that is like counted in your each for each and every employee. Okay, so those all are integrated, and we will be doing that in, you will be doing that in the time and labor. Okay, and coming to the ORC. ORC is nothing but like a recruitment module, but this has recently they have done with the Talio also. So ORC, and next coming to the compensation and the benefits. Okay, so compensation and benefits, nothing but like what are the benefits given to an employee. Okay, those all will be covered under the benefits. So these are the modules which we are going to cover in this. See, this is how we'll be covering. And yeah, okay. See, this is the tenant name, and this is the domain name. So this is how you will be, they will be giving you the instance link. And in this this is also like recently one of the one of the student, they were appearing for the interviews, they asked for this, and which we did not even expected this question. But what they asked you, what is the URL in what is it called as a domain, and what is the tenant name. Okay, so that's the reason EUTH is the tenant name, and this is the domain name. So remember this, they may ask you in the interviews also, and you should have a knowledge about this URL also. Okay, so this is about the URL which we'll be sharing to you, and through which you can start working and learning. And yeah, if you have any queries or any doubts, you can ask me about. Do you have any queries? So as I told you, education, any qualification you can do it, and IT experience, it's not required, and career gaps are also accepted, and will be helping with that, and prior knowledge is not needed. Okay. So if you have any doubts or any queries, you can ask me.
But the course duration will be like how many months or how many days after?
Oh yeah, I didn't added that, right? So the course duration will be 45 days.
Okay.
Okay.
Monday to Saturday or Monday to Friday or Saturday and Sunday will be also there.
We do take in a weekdays, Monday to, yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot that. Course duration is 30 to 40 days. 30 to 40 days. And coming to the this weekdays, like Monday to Friday. Okay, the classes will be Monday to Friday, and we will be like doing the initially first 10 sessions or 15 sessions, 10 sessions. We will be helping you, like while I'll be working, you should also work parallelly, and you can easily learn in that way. So at least for the core HR part, we planned in such a way that will be helping like parallelly you will be doing. Okay. So I can help, will be doing the sessions in that way. Yeah, weekdays, hope. And if you want, like come and practice in the institute, you can sit and practice. And you can even sit on Saturdays also. I think it will be working. So you can practice.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Any more doubts? Any more queries?
Madam, do
So
we
we
have to
do.
apply as a fresher or should we keep some experience?
It's always preferable to keep at least 3 to 4 years of experience. And we do help you in the resume preparation, how to go ahead with your, according to your backgrounds and everything. Okay.
If some people are currently working now, ma'am, like in different companies, like, and how are they going to portray the experience if they want to show it in the HCM? So how is
Mm-hmm.
it going to work out?
I think that we can talk one-on-one and we will be helping in that way. Okay,
Okay,
you can
okay,
just
okay,
drop down to the office or you can just call
okay,
personally, we'll help you. But we
okay,
do help in that.
okay, no problem. Thank
Okay.
Are you going to share the session in the WhatsApp group, recording session?
Yes, they do share, I guess. Yeah, in the WhatsApp session, WhatsApp also you want? I think they do share. They'll create a WhatsApp group for each and every batch and they'll share all the videos. I'm not sure. I'll just check and let you know. But in the group,
Yes,
they'll
ma'am, they will share.
definitely. Sorry?
They will share, ma'am, in the WhatsApp group. Actually, they will share the link for the
Yeah.
classes done today.
Yes, they'll share the link and through which you can access the videos. Materials, videos, all we will be sharing. You don't worry about that. You just need to just go through what we are teaching in each and every day. What we are teaching just follows, and after 30 to 40 days, you are good to go for the interviews.
Here I want to know that you are teaching from beginning, right? The course will be like the we can work as an experienced person of 3 to 5 years or something like that. The course has been designed like.
Yes, the course has designed to make you like at least this complete course, it will be giving you at least 4 to 5 years experience person. So that much knowledge will be sharing to you.
With the real-time experience which we
Yes.
can work on.
Yes, as I told
How
you, I'll be sharing the practice questions in which we'll be adding the real-time scenarios also. If once you practice those, so it will give you hands-on knowledge through which you can project yourself as a 4 years experience, at least 4 to 5 years experience. And
okay,
for the
got
freshers, 3 to 4 years.
it. Sometimes it's like some of the courses the if we take into the cloud something like AWS or DevOps something like that. If we go into the course will be different after going into the role. It's somewhat different, right?
Got it, got it. No,
Real time will be different somewhat.
yes.
Yeah,
Uh,
in that sense, I'm asking.
Yeah, I got it. But you won't feel like you are started, you will not feel the difference over there because the course has designed in such a way, like at least it will, when you'll enter into the real-time work experience, you don't feel that, this is different. It will not be that. Okay.
Every client will use same type of instances and same methodology of work, right?
Yes.
Got it. Thank you.
Instance means like, see, here we'll be giving you the instance, demo instance. There it will be the same. I mean, everything will be the screens and all are same. Just the instance will be the difference.
Mm.
Because here you'll be every week it will be refreshing, but there it will be like a permanent.
Okay, got it. Here, if we see into EBS, HCM, or Fusion, the uh, mm, the screens are different, right? Coming
Mm-hmm.
to Fusion HCM or function, Fusion
Yes.
Finance or HCM, the screens are different. And
Yes.
here it will be like that. same in the HCM, HRMS, the screens are different or the same?
It's no, it is not. And someone asked about like whether we are going to add AI and Redwood. Yes, we do add the features. We do teach that because right now the Redwood and AI is the booming one. So we do add the features of that and we do explain in that the Redwood and that also AI.
Then, ma'am, how we know, ma'am, whether it will be the AI or
I'll be teaching. While teaching, I'll be explaining you this is a new feature it has added, and while teaching only, like I'll be parallelly telling you like in this they have like for example recently I have shown you the instance, right? So I'll be explaining the I didn't start about the instance because I didn't start about this because I just want to explain you tomorrow in detail. So while teaching, while in the screens only, I'll be telling you like this is the new feature it has added and what are the Redwood and what are the AI features they have added. I'll cover that.
Are there any SQL queries need to be written here, like those things?
SQL and PLSQL knowledge is needed for the technical people for not the functional. So it's not needed for the functional.
As I told you, I have closely worked with, I have maintained as a HR executive. I have used to handle this Oracle people, EBS.
Mm-hmm.
They
Mm-hmm.
used to write this SQL queries, so that I have asked.
Probably you're talking about the like a fast formulas, you might be talking about that. But fast formulas, like few fast formulas, you need it when the will be teaching in the absence and in the at least 1 to 2 I'll be teaching in the absence, but you don't need to write that. You don't need to have a PLSQL and SQL knowledge for that. Just you need to learn how we are doing the fast formulas. But for recently, in most of the companies, when you start working as a functional, they are not giving you like a fast formulas when you enter into the company. I mean, when you enter, so you'll be having for MNCs, you'll be having a separate fast formulas. Other employee will be there for that.
Okay. Wow.
But definitely we'll be learning the fast formulas also. At least I'll explain you. I'll be giving you in the absence 2 fast formulas.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Any more queries, or we can continue the session tomorrow.
We can continue the session.
Harika, one thing, like how will you give the interview questions? Like concept wisely, like once you finish one concept, you'll tell the interview questions, or else after completion of this whole thing, you'll tell the interview questions.
Basically, we will be definitely will be giving the interview questions once all the modules are done. But if you need after each and every module, we can provide that also. But like, see, you will be not having the enough time for after each and every module to go through the interview questions, because the reason is we do give you the practice sessions, right? So while doing the practice sessions only, it will be covered everything. But if you want like after each and every module, we can even provide that also.
It would be better, no, madam, if we get after each module, we can go through it, like how the questions will be asked in this particular module.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
That's
it
what
will
I
be better.
you
We would
need,
have an idea, no, ma'am.
yes.
So that's
Definitely, if you need it, then we can provide it. But the reason why we are not giving after each and every module is like by looking at the only a few of them, they'll get okay. They'll not be how to put it. I don't know. Like see, the confidence level it differs, but we'll provide it. It's okay. That's fine.
thank you.
Because many modules are integrated. Okay. So while see, once the core HR is done, if I give you the interview questions, so what will happen, like few of the absences will be integrated. So you may not be able to, you may not be able to learn it properly. So that's the reason mostly we'll be giving after all the modules is done. But you can try like by taking after one core HR. I think it's good to go with the after core HR interview questions. Don't worry about the interview questions and all those things. And we'll be giving you the real-time interview questions because many of our students are attending recent interviews, right? So we have added all those we have added all those interview questions and we made it, and so it will be helpful for you for attending the interviews. Okay.
Okay.
So mostly the questions what we are giving are recently what the recruiters are asking. Okay. Any more queries? Okay. From tomorrow, let's have a session and let's keep it as an interactive session so that it will be helpful for you. And the first 5 or 10 sessions, let's have the practice also. Parallelly, you can practice and you can learn. Okay. So at least the core HR part. Okay. So tomorrow we'll continue the session. Thank you. Thanks all.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.